Hi, this is Joe Wood, and I am doing this video for my module 4 of my Fort Hays State Course 806 for Transition to Teaching. And this video has to do with vocabulary strategies and some kind of fun games that you can do and strategies for using in the classroom. After reading through some of the assignments and the resources that we have for this for module 4, I like the game of three truths and a lie. um, I like I like that one a lot. I think of it kind of got me thinking of like a number of different ways could kind of do it. But basically, what you do is you have your students. You give your students a list of vocab words, or whatever it might be. So students can pick their vocab word, or I guess you could give them all the same. That probably wouldn't be as beneficial. But for me, at the high school world business class, for a new chapter, there's always a list of words, set of vocab words for each chapter that we're working on, things like that, that we can integrate those into. And the students create 4 sentences, and of which 3 of them are a truth and one of them is intended to be a lie. And then you can have them turn them in, then look them over, and then maybe like the next day have an activity with them. Or for me, I'd probably have the students get up and read it, because I like the presentation piece that comes with the kind of the business side. And so I would want them to present, to then have them work on their body language, a little bit of their poker face, as well as their word use and sentences that they build as they deliver those, and try to see if they can potentially trick their peers into misidentifying the lie out of their 3 truths. So I like that one. I think that one could be a lot of fun in my class. And then the other one that I liked was the use of social media. So this idea of kind of personifying what this vocab word means. And I was trying to figure out, the examples that they had were all Facebook. Was Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And I feel like kids like Snapchat the most. And so I was trying to kind of think outside the box and think of some ways that students could kind of identify the definition of a word through just pictures, because that seems to be what they like to do, take pictures of their foreheads. So that way they don't leave each other unanswered, or whatever it is that they do. But I definitely like the idea of incorporating social media, taking something that students are already passionate about and finding a way that they can apply it in the classroom is a great tool. But the ability to again give out some words, and then potentially I also like the Instagram. I feel like students don't really relate as much to Facebook or Pinterest, and honestly not even Twitter all that much. But I feel like Instagram could be a good one. Have them work on some kind of a scrapbook or a scrapbook image that would be associated with the vocab word. So those would be the 2 things that I would work on for this assignment with my students.